Hey everybody, Dennis with ARP, #Cowboy in your roof. Standing in the front yard of Spicewood, Texas. Today's project, this is a full standing seam system. A couple of months ago, got a call from this homeowner. Preston and I raced out here, got on the roof, gave him a free no obligation inspection. We were able to find a lot of damage on this roof directly due to storms that were currently this year, hailstorms and tree branches on the roof. We shortly after that met with the insurance company and adjuster, and we got all this bought for the homeowner by using proper terminology, good roofing practices, and we just worked well with this insurance company. One thing we found when we tore this roof off yesterday though, was the previous roofer had laid in some insulation between the existing roof and the home. We had a discussion with the homeowner, we sent them some photos, and the homeowner actually decided that he wanted to leave the insulation on the roof. So that's what we're gonna do. That's gonna give them some R value and a little bit of a moisture barrier. So having said that, we're rolling out each panel right now, custom fit. As these guys on the roof, our mechanics are hollering down the measurements. We're building the sheets one by one. That way, your roof will not leak. We're also gonna give them a 10-year labor warranty on this, that's on our part, along with the 50-year on the material. Guys, when you want your roof done right, get on the internet, let your fingers do the walk and read the Google reviews and check out arproofing.com or just look for me, the Cowboy. I appreciate all the calls, letters, phone calls, and everything. Adios.